Right, as you guys know, that I sometimes buy products to test, and one of the things I bought the other day to test was something to put on the grease nipples. Oh, Zerks as they call them in the United States, I don't know why. Something that locks on and see if it works. Now this is a product, I think it's called an ELETON or something like that, and there's the box it came in, and it says here it's new improved. Well, I think it does. We're going to go under the car and see if it works. Now this was only 30 bucks. It comes with a plastic hose. Comes a little flex extension, but of course, as we say to all the girls, mine's bigger than that one. So I like mine because I can bend it right round the top. But let's go under the car and see if this really does work. Don't you just hate it when you lend your grease gun out to somebody and they bring it back empty? Oh. Anyway, let's see if this works. I think that's got conclusive proof that this works. Where's it coming out of? Ah, it's tight. There's some pressure in that. It's come out that side. I think what the idea is just to drive it around a bit, get that grease circulated. So let's go and have a look at this one up here. Oops. Don't want to be putting sawdust in there. That's locked on. Right. If that one's gone on, I think we've got it. I just didn't have it pushed on enough. There we go. Let's have a look at the front. The gearbox end is, the transfer box end is usually pretty tricky to get to. Yes, I know the prop's upside down, but I'm not really bothered. It's not going to go anywhere. Right, let's see if we can go on. And the answer is yes. Good. Next one. Yeah, like I say, I don't know, somebody's had the prop off backwards, but it doesn't really matter in this case, it's not going to go off-road. Lock it onto there. Straight away, because like I say, I've already got grease in this, but, and on me. But I just wanted to show you this too. There you go. Let's go out and have a chat about this. So yes, it does actually work. I'll put a link in the description down below. 30 Canadian dollars, what's that? 12, 13 quid. Well worth it. Like I say, you can even hang it up like that. Perfect for Land Rovers with standard grease nipples and things like that. Yeah, I think it's a tool we've been waiting for a long, long time. Like I say, I don't get sponsored by this, don't get any money off this, but I think it's one of them tools that's really handy to put in your toolbox.